Wadi Al Amerdi, Dubai, where progress meets promise. We're excited to share the remarkable progress on our latest venture, the Wadi Al Amerdi, Dubai project. As we venture deeper into this ambitious undertaking, we're witnessing a transformation that's set to redefine modern living. Shaping a new horizon. Nestled in the heart of Dubai, Wadi Al Amerdi is rapidly taking shape as a thriving community that blends natural beauty with urban sophistication. The picturesque landscape is being enhanced with meticulously planned infrastructure and contemporary architecture. A vision of connectivity. One of the project's key highlights is its connectivity. With easy access to major highways and public transportation, residents will enjoy seamless mobility. From bustling city life to serene natural retreats, everything is within reach. Green oasis. Amidst urban splendor, Wadi Al Amerdi emphasizes green living with landscape parks, eco-friendly designs, and sustainable practices. The community offers a harmonious balance between modern amenities and the tranquility of nature. Stunning residential choices. Our commitment to quality is reflected in the diverse residential options available. From elegant apartments to spacious villas, each home is designed to offer comfort, style, and a sense of belonging. Redefining urban living. This project is not just about buildings. It's about creating a thriving neighborhood where families can flourish, businesses can thrive, and dreams can take root. Stay tuned as we continue to make strides on the Wadi Al Amerdi, Dubai project, bringing our vision of a modern, sustainable, and connected community to life.